Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing good. In today's tutorial we are going to learn how to cut a boubou dress, a Maxi Boubou dress. Now I will be using 3 yards of Ankara fabric. So the length of my fabric is 51. I will use 50 inches and I will use the 1 inches to fold it. So if you have your Ankara fabric, you have to fold it into 2. Fold it into 2. You take the one edge here, then you join it to the other. Then this way, I folded it into 2. Then I folded it into another to make it 4. Now, my shoulder measurement is going to be 8. Then, my neckline width is going to be 5. Then my width, my neckline width is going to be 3 inches. So now I'm going to connect my neckline width together with my neckline depth, which I have measured here. So now you have to take your tape measurement here. You start at the edge of the fabric here. You mark between 12 and 13, but I will use 12.5. So I use 12.5 inches here. Then I have to join this shoulder line with the neck line measurement together. Then I will make a curve from here, from the 12.5 inches that I have marked already, from this point to this point. Then I will curve from the edge of my shoulder here down to the 12.5 inches that I have marked here. So I'm going to join them together now. So I make a curve line. From the edge of my shoulder here. So I will mark 10 inches for my sleeve. 10 inches for my sleeve. Then this area will be for my sleeve now. From here to here for my sleeve. This will be for my sleeve from the point of my shoulder here. So I will make 10 inches for my sleeve. So this is the 10 inches here. Then from the 10 inches here where it's up, I will mark my bicep. My bicep is 14. You can as well measure your own. So you will divide it by 2. That will give me 7. So I will have to measure 7 here, from here. That will be for my bicep. Now I have to cut it out. Sleeve. Now I want to cut it out. I will cut from here. Okay, you cut it out. Remember, I measured 10 for my sleeve the other time. So I'm going to make mark so that I can know the exact place. Then from where I stop here, my biceps that I told you initially, which is 14, and I divided it by 2, which is 7. So the 7 ends here. So I'm going to notch it as well for me to know the exact place. I'm going to notch both sides, the bicep, that will be for my armhole, and the sleeve here. I'm going to notch it. Give it a small notch. Then give this one a notch as well. So I'll sew it around. And I will show you how it looks. This is the outcome of the Maxi Boubou dress. You can see how beautiful it is. You can see the neckline area. You can as well see the armhole area. The armhole area. If the tutorial is helpful, please click the like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.